Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace Ford F150 rear bumper full guide. Start by parking level, disconnecting the battery, and removing the license plate and tail lights to access mounting bolts. Label connectors and hardware as you remove them. Support the bumper with a jack or helper, unbolt brackets, and inspect mounting points for rust or damage. Clean surfaces, test fit the new bumper, and prepare to torque to manufacturer specifications. Gather tools like a socket set, torque wrench, trim tools, jack, and safety gloves. Wear eye protection and disconnect the battery before cutting power to sensors. Document bolt locations and take photos so reassembly is accurate, and use labeled bags for hardware to avoid confusion. Verify bumper weight capacity and have a helper when lifting heavy parts, and keep new hardware and paint touch-up ready for final installation and corrosion protection. Quick recommendation: if you like comfort after a long wrenching session, try Darn Tough socks with a lifetime warranty for durable, comfortable wear. If this guide is helping, please subscribe and like to support more automotive tutorials and step-by-step how-to's. Check the description for the link and other deals to save time and money on quality gear. Thanks for the support, everyone, and now, let's get back to the video. Remove trim panels and taillights to expose bumper bolts, then unbolt impact absorbers and mounting brackets. Support the bumper before separating it from body clips and wiring harnesses, and gently disconnect parking sensors or lights. Test fit the new bumper, align bolt holes, and torque to manufacturer specs while checking gaps in sensor alignment. Then reconnect wiring, reinstall trim, and perform a road test to confirm proper fit and sensor function.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.